Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. So on to this tutorial, we'll learn how to appear offline in Roblox. So if you don't want anyone messaging you around or wanting to play with you here on Roblox, then you're on to the right guide. So you need to make sure first that you're currently logged in onto your Roblox account. So right after that, once you're already in here, click onto this gear icon onto the upper right corner of the screen and click onto settings. So once you're already here, onto settings, click onto privacy in here. So here under privacy, you should be able to find in communication. So as of the moment, I have default, but you could go ahead and change this. So if who can message you, you could go ahead and click onto no one so that no one can message you. Who can text you, click on no one, or who can chat you, click onto no one. But if you want to go ahead and make this default or turn this all off, you'll just need to click onto off in communication. But you could also try to go ahead and try to choose just friends or users you follow or anything like that. So make sure to tweak this as per your liking. And that is just basically it, how to appear offline on Roblox. And if you think this has been helpful to you, then don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.